Hi everybody, happy week 34 for health. I just wanted to make a video for this week to briefly touch base on a couple of the assignments and just give you a little bit of insight for the parts that I think you guys might end up having questions about. So this week it's set up as part one and part two. A reminder that part one stuff is to be done earlier in the week. So try to accomplish the part one assignment Monday, Tuesday of the week. And then part two will be done later in the week, so Thursday, Friday. Both assignments are really easy. They're pretty straightforward. So they shouldn't take you too long for health class, and that's the goal. So part one is all about character. We are starting our healthy relationships unit. And if we're talking about relationships with other people, we first need to look at ourselves and the person that we are, because we contribute to that relationship just as much as the other person does. So if I make this full screen, okay. So the part one assignment is kind of divided into two chunks. So this right here is the first chunk, and then down here is the second chunk. So the top chunk up here is related to character traits. Now there are 6 character traits that people should possess in order to have a really good personality, have really good character, things like that. What I want you to do is in the purple box. So question 1 and question 2. For each one, what you're going to do is you're going to pick one of the 6 traits above. And then for the first question, you need to figure out, okay, who's a celebrity, who's someone famous who has that trait. So let's say that I picked respect. Okay, I'm going to write the word respect here, and then I would have to decide who my famous person is who I think demonstrates respect. And then I would have to explain why I think that person has respect. And then for number 2, I have to pick a different character trait. So if I chose respect for the first one, I cannot use respect again. I have to pick a different character trait. Let's say that I chose citizenship, so somebody who maybe is involved in protecting the environment, or maybe it's somebody who is known for being involved in charities, things like that. So I would write down citizenship as the trait, and then this time for number 2, I'm not picking a celebrity. Instead, I'm picking somebody who's normal, your regular Joe. So it could be a neighbor, it could be a teacher, it could be a coach, could be a friend, could be a family member. Somebody who's like normal, not famous, and then again explain why they have that trait. Then we transition down to part 2. Part 2 is about character influences, so the things that kind of shape the person that we are. Your options are parents or guardians, the life experiences that you've had, different stories that you've heard, and then role models. And then for number 3, pick one of the 4 influences here and then tell me how you think it's influenced you. And then number 4 to finish out the assignment. Okay, so this is your part 1 assignment for the week. Part 2 is the win-win worksheet. So for part 2, you are going to come up with something that 2 people are going to disagree on. It could be as simple as one person wants to eat Subway and somebody else wants to eat Taco John's. It doesn't need to be a super serious or challenging disagreement. It really could be as silly as that. Maybe one person wants to go to the mall and the other person wants to go to the pool. Okay. Up here, you're going to put person 1, person 2. So give each person a name. You can make up the names, that's fine. Then in these boxes right here, this is where you're going to explain the position. So explain the position for each person. Well, this person wants to go shopping. This person wants to go to the mall. Needs, so identify what each person really needs. Well, this person is growing and their old clothes don't fit them anymore. This person has spent too much time outside for their own mental sanity. They want to be outside and go to the pool. Okay, whatever needs they have. The needs really, you're just telling me why they want to do what they want to do. Okay. Reframe right here, you're just finishing this question. So I give you the start of it. How can we? You just write in the rest of it. So how can we go either shopping or go to the pool to make us happy? Or how can we go shopping and go to the pool? And then solutions, you need to come up with 5 different solutions. You're probably going to have an easy time coming up with the first 2 or the first 3, but you need to come up with 5. And then you need to decide. So select one solution that you think both parties would agree upon. So out of the 5 listed, write down the one that you're going to decide to go with for sure. Okay, and that's the win-win. That's the part 2 assignment for the week. If you have questions, please message me on Schoology, send me an email. We can do a Google Meet. But both of these assignments are going to be due on Sunday at midnight. Bye.